Hey everyone, today we are looking into a crypto challenge in Grey CTF. The challenge name is IDK. So here is the challenge. We need to download the challenge files. I already did it. So here is home files. The challenge gives us few things: a prover script, a verifier script, and most importantly for us, two dump files. These dump files are like recording of what a correct prover, one that knows the real P and Q, sent out in two different runs. So let's get into the prover pi. So guys, here is the prover pi. There. The sample prover scripts shows a method for generating mu j values. It calculates theta j, which will be the same for both dumps for the same line. Then it does some square root math using its own small p and q. This upper here, p and q, its own. The the sample prover scripts includes a line here if random function. This line shows the random 50-50 choice to flip the sign of one its internal number. Now the important part, the dump files we have must have been created by a prover that knows the actual large P and Q for our challenge N. We can infer that the actual prover used similar mechanism. Good calculated theta j. It found the true square of root modulo, the real P and Q. It randomly flipped the sign of one of these components, say P component with a 50% chance, before combining them to make the final measure. We went into the dump files. So look at the dump files there. So here are some few lines that are same here and some different lines here. So even though our proverb uses fake P and Q, it hints the random process used to create the numbers in the real dumps. So because we have two dump files in this true prover, for any specific line, there is a chance that random flips were different in the two runs. If that random choice was different for mu j1 for dump 1 and mu j2 for dump 2, then the difference mu1 minus mu2 will be a multiple of one of the secret primes, we say q, and the sum mu1 plus mu2 will be the multiple of the other secret prime, let's say it's p. So if we find a line where mu value in the dump are different, like assume that 11th line that are different, so we can use the GCD, the greatest common divisor of the difference of their sum, with n to find one of our secret prime factors. So according to the problem, I write a solution script. So let's see that. So here is the solution script. First, it reads all the mu values from the dump txt1 and txt2. Here. It skips the first 9 lines because they are same in each file. If mu1 value is not equal to mu2 value, then it loops through the comparing each mu1 from the first file with the corresponding mu2 from the second file. It finds a pair where mu1 is not equal to mu2 and they are not 0. It calculates the difference and then takes the GCD of the difference, and with our big number n, this should give us one of the secret prime factors. So here is the code and the logic. So let's run this and check. And yes, we got our flag. So the flag is here, you can see. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and stay with us. So see you in next video.